And now, Kerncast 23 with Colin Jackson.
Okay, everybody, this is Tropical Storm Debbie, and a lot of rainfall here. Rainfall totals 3, 4, 5, 6 inches in isolated spots in a 24-hour period. Boy, when it rains in Florida, it really comes down. I mean, it's a real soaker, and that's what's going on in Tampa, Fort Myers, Naples. Once you get south of Naples, you're in the Everglades here, and then the Florida Keys start. Not a lot of rain for the Keys yet, but there's more. And Miami is being spared as we speak, but, you know, Disney World is not a very nice place to be this week. Okay, cooler weather. How about this for history? 80s in June doesn't happen very often, but here's some history. In 1998, we had 7 days in a row of 80s for this time of year, which is rare. Also in 2003, 5 days in a row. 2010, 3 days in a row. So from the 19th, 25th time frame, yeah, it happens, but not very often. And when we hit 85 today and upper 80s on Tuesday, as long as that forecast holds, we'll get to join this list 4 days in a row in 2012. Doesn't happen very often. So we're enjoying this. Does that mean we're going to have a cool summer? No. Doesn't mean much of anything, really. But, you know, just wait. Humidity and heat's coming back, especially for the first part of July. You know it. So this low is going to stay here for another 48 hours and it's gone. High pressure rebuilds and we start to really warm things up, okay? This has been a treat. It's been sitting here since Friday. It dropped out of the Gulf of Alaska and sat here and giving cooler than average weather for, you know, Oregon and Washington. They're sick of this. They don't have a very long summer without rain, and they're not getting much of a good start. It's already the end of June, okay? So regardless, once this leaves, we'll return to the low 90s, we think, by Wednesday, and then we stay there and go into the mid and upper 90s after that. 64 for San Francisco today, 84 in Fresno, upper 70s for Yosemite. Sacramento, very nice in the capital, 78. 72 Santa Barbara, 65 in Pismo Beach. Morro Bay right around 60. Pretty nice weather. Morning clouds, of course, along the coast that'll burn off in the afternoon. 82 in Anaheim, 103 for Palm Springs, and a 75 in San Diego. Our numbers look good. Mid-80s at best. Maybe an 87 in Taft will be the hot spot. Northwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And to the east, we have temperatures that are nice, too. 75 to Tehachapi, 88 Kernville, 78 for Fraser Park, 98 in... yeah, Ridgecrest, 90 Edwards Air Force Base, California City around 94. Today in Bakersfield, pretty nice, 85, sunny and warm, northwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. The air quality is hanging in there, great visibility. You can see the mountains to the east and the south, 47, and that's good. 70 numbers look good too. Upper 90s by this coming weekend. Yes, it will be hotter. And by the time we get to the Wednesday, Thursday time frame, temperatures will warm up in the Kern River Valley too. And in the mountains, they never get into the 90s. But we do get to the 80s by the time we get to this weekend. Enjoy this next 48 hours. It'll be cooler than average. Back to you.